Welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss how to compile a project in Simatic Manager. By this compilation, you can check the error in the program, even in the DB block. To check the error or compile the program, click on the function, click on the block under the S7 program. Okay, then click on edit. Here you can see the check block consistency. Click on that, it will open a new window. Here you can see that function db all is here, even in OB. Okay, click on the program and select compile all, then okay, it will compile your whole program and check the error, even warning, and show the error or warning, number of error, number of warning here, and from there you can see the where is the error program problem. You can see here, you can see there is no error or warning. That's mean this program is perfect, there is no problem. You can download it. Okay, by this way you can check the program. Thank you.